The most damaging stress isn't always obvious. It's the tension we carry without realizing, in our shoulders, our breath, or our thoughts. So close your eyes for a moment if it's safe to do so. And notice where you feel any tension in your body right now. Do you feel some in your jaw or neck, between your eyebrows, or just observing, not trying to change anything yet? Okay, now, imagine this tension has a color. And watch this color slowly fade, like sunlight dimming at dusk. Feel the natural release that comes with simply paying attention. So throughout your day-to-day, pause and notice. Notice these moments of awareness. Naturally release tension without forcing or trying. Your body knows how to release the stress. The only task is to create the space for this natural unwinding to occur. Let this awareness become your constant companion in daily life.